Understanding the word eminent. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: the word eminent. Many people find this word a bit tricky, so we're going to break it down together, making sure you leave this video with a clear understanding and ready to use it in your daily conversations or writings. Let's dive in. Eminent is an adjective, and it is used to describe a person or thing that is famous, respected, and distinguished. When we say someone is eminent, we are highlighting their high status and outstanding achievements in a particular field. For example, Nelson Mandela is considered an eminent figure in history due to his fight against apartheid and his role in establishing democracy in South Africa. Now that we understand what eminent means, let's look at how to use it in sentences. Pay attention to the context in which it is used to fully grasp its meaning. 1. Dr. Brown is an eminent scientist, known for her groundbreaking research in renewable energy. 2. The city is home to several eminent historical landmarks, attracting tourists from all over the world. 3. Despite his eminent position in the company, he is very approachable and down to earth. As you can see from these examples, eminent is often used to describe individuals who are highly regarded in their profession or field. It's also important to address a common confusion with the word eminent. Some people might confuse it with the word imminent. While they sound similar, they have completely different meanings. Eminent refers to a high status or outstanding quality. Imminent means about to happen or impending. For example, the scientist's eminent work is well known worldwide. The dark clouds indicate that a storm is imminent. I hope this video has helped clear up any confusion about the word eminent, and that you feel more confident using it in your English conversations and writings. Remember, learning new vocabulary is a crucial part of mastering a language, and you're doing great by taking the time to learn and understand. Keep it up, and see you in the next video.